So very good morning students. Here your GK subject, and today we are going to do the question answer of lesson 3rd, Forts of India. We already discussed this lesson and we will write the question answer. First question is given here. Which is the largest stone dome in the world? I repeat it once again. Which is the largest stone dome in the world? So the answer is the Global Vipassana Pagoda is the largest stone dome in the world. Okay. Question 2 is here. Question 2 is here. Which was an invincible fort? So the answer is Janjira was an invincible fort. Spelling is INVINCIBLE, invincible fort. So here second question you can see. Write the state's name where these forts are located. Okay. First one is Golconda Fort. Second is Gulbarga Fort. Third is Fort William. Fourth is Amber Fort. Fifth is Aguda Fort. And sixth is Raigarh Fort. Okay. So you have to write the state name where these all forts are located. So first one is Golconda Fort is located in Telangana. Gulbarga Fort is located in Karnataka. Third, Fort William is located in West Bengal. Fourth, Amber Fort is located in Rajasthan. Fifth, Aguda Fort is located in Goa. And sixth one, Raigarh Fort is located in Maharashtra. Okay na? First one is Telangana, then Karnataka, West Bengal, Rajasthan, Goa and Maharashtra. You can see in the book also, we have done na Golconda Fort. First one is located where? In Karnataka. Second one, this Gulbarga Fort, it is located in Karnataka. Okay. Third, Fort William, it is located in West Bengal. Okay, na? You just match the options. Okay. Fourth one is this Amber Fort. It is located in where? Rajasthan. Then fifth one is Aguda Fort. It is located in Goa. First option is Goa. Okay na? And the sixth and the last one, Raigarh Fort, it is located in Maharashtra. Okay. Here is the answer. We have done the question 2 na. Which was an invincible fort? So Janjira was an invincible fort. It was built by the Abyssinians in AD 1511. Neither the Marathas, the Mughals, the Portuguese nor the British could ever capture it. ठीक है ना? इस जंजीरा जो फोर्ट थी वो कभी उसे कोई जीत ही नहीं पाया. मराठा लोगों ने इसे ट्राई किया जीतने का, मुगल्स ने ट्राई किया, पोर्तुगीज ने ट्राई किया, ब्रिटिश ने भी ट्राई किया, बट इन लोगों ने उस फोर्ट को कभी कैप्चर नहीं कर पाया. And the first question we have written, which is the largest stone dome in the world? So the answer is here. The Global Vipassana Pagoda is the largest stone dome in the world. It is built without any supporting pillars. ये स्टोन का बना हुआ डोम है जो बिना किसी सपोर्टिंग पिलर्स के बना है और ये पूरे वर्ल्ड का. So here we have done. We just do the question answer in the copy, and after completing, I am requesting in each and every video after completing your work, you send me the attachment. If you will not send me the attachment, I will going to call each of you and just I want to see the homework that you are completing or not. And in the next here is the first question. What does Rangoli represent? So the answer is Rangoli represents the culture and religion of India. Okay, Rangoli represents the culture and religion of India. So we will do more question now. So your next question from the lesson number 4, floor decoration from India. See, write the names of states where given rangolis are drawn. Okay, write the names of states where given rangolis are drawn. The name of Rangoli is given here and you have to write the names of the state, from which state they are located. First one is Rangoli and they are located from कर्नाटका. ये कहाँ से बिलोंग करते हैं? कर्नाटका से. रंगोली कर्नाटका. चौकपुरना छत्तीसगढ़. चौकपुरना Chhattisgarh. You can use the book when you are going to write the answers on your copy. You can use the book of GK also. Okay. Alpana is third one. It's from West Bengal. Alpana, West Bengal. Then fourth one is Mandana, Rajasthan. Mandana, Rajasthan. Aripan इज फ्रॉम बिहार. ओके, ये जो रंगोली पैटर्न है कहाँ का है? बिहार का. बिहार. मुर्जा फ्रॉम उड़ीसा. मुर्जा फ्रॉम उड़ीसा. संस्कार भारती फ्रॉम महाराष्ट्र. संस्कार भारती फ्रॉम महाराष्ट्र. कोल्लम तमिलनाडु. कोल्लम तमिलनाडु. देन मुगुलू, इट इज फ्रॉम आंध्र प्रदेश. मुगुलू from Andhra Pradesh. Aipan from Himachal Pradesh. Aipan, Himachal Pradesh. Pokalam, Kerala. Pokalam, Kerala. Sathya or Gahuli, it is from Gujarat. This pattern is located from Gujarat. So each state and the drawing pattern of Rangoli pattern you have to write like the same way. You first side you will write the name of the Rangoli pattern and here you will write the state. Okay, तो ये क्वेश्चन हमने इसके पहले भी हमने एक क्वेश्चन लिखा था. So each of you write in your GK copy. First you write the name of the lesson and then you write the question, and I will send the attachment also of this question. So after completing it all, you have to send me back that how many of completing or not. Then after I can know. And if you will not going to send me, I will make call to each of you. I am having all of yours number. ओके और अगर आप लोगों ने मुझे अटैचमेंट सेंड नहीं किया तो मैं एक एक को कॉल करूंगी एंड सडनली इन इमीडिएट सडनली मैं आपसे तुरंत कहूंगी कि आप मुझे अपने वर्क का अटैचमेंट सेंड करिए. ठीक है. So it is good for you just whenever you are watching your video, just after that watching the video you just complete your work. Okay. तो ऐसे करने से कोई भी वर्क आपके लिए पेंडिंग नहीं रहेगा, बर्डन नहीं बनेगा एंड यू विल इजीली कंप्लीट योर वर्क ऑन टाइम. एंड वंस मोर थिंग आई वांट टू टेल यू स्टूडेंट्स, इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग दिस लेसन आई विल टेक योर क्लास टेस्ट. ओके, आपका क्लास टेस्ट भी होगा. I will take your class test. So start preparation and next week I will tell the date. I will inform you the date and on the same date I will take your test. So from lesson 1, 2, 3 you have to prepare each spelling you have written. स्पेलिंग के साथ आपको प्रिपेयर करना है जो भी क्वेश्चन आंसर्स आपको कराए गए हैं. So in the next week I will take your class test and each of you have to prepare. जिन्होंने अभी तक अपने होमवर्क्स को पूरा नहीं किया है, क्लास वर्क को पूरा नहीं किया है, in each of the subject you have to complete and after completing you just start the preparation and after preparation you will get the date. Your teacher will tell the date of your class test and you have to give. Okay. So complete this part and one more question is related this lesson. I will give the attachment, fill in the blanks. So I will give the attachment, from there you can complete that, fill in the blanks in your GK copy. Okay.